Hello guys, Betty here. I'm so excited to welcome you to Carblessly Delicious, where we transform the foods we love into low-carb and keto-friendly recipes, such as this tasty thick crust pizza, eliminating the high carbs found in traditional pizza, featuring this delicious almond flour crust, only 5 grams of net carbs, allowing you to enjoy every bite without the carbs. First thing is to prepare our sauce. I'm chopping half of a medium-sized onion into very fine pieces. Get it as tiny as you can. Coat your frying pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Saute your minced garlic, stirring for about 30 seconds, just enough time to cook off the rawness. Add in your chopped onions and saute until onions become translucent. Hunt's tomato sauce is my go-to. No added sugars, made from all natural, ripened tomatoes, as if hand-picked right from your very own gardens. We're gonna spruce it up with some Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, black pepper, and grated Parmesan. A list of ingredients is available in the description for you. Give it a good stir, blending all these delicious herbs together. Now, to help offset the acidity of our sauce, we're going to add a little Truvia brown sugar made of stevia, which doesn't spike your sugar levels, so no worries. It has such a special touch to our sauce. Remove from the heat and set aside as we move on to our pizza crust. In a large bowl, pour in 2½ cups of mozzarella cheese. I'm using the low moisture part skim. We need to get this into the microwave for 1 minute to soften. And here we have it. Our cheese has softened. Okay, this is a great texture here. We're gonna blend it with our dry ingredients. I'm using the super fine blanched almond flour, anthem gum powder, and baking powder. Go ahead guys and blend your mixture together with a spoon, as you see me doing here. Now for our wet ingredients, we're going to whisk 2 large eggs and combine it with our dry mixture. Go ahead and beat that egg up. Combine it in with our dry mixture. And stir, mix it well until it forms the dough consistency that we want. Use your hands, if you will, mix it well. Create 1 big round ball. Place it between 2 pieces of parchment paper. And here comes the fun part, y'all. Rolling out our dough. Apply pressure as you roll the dough into the shape and thickness that you like, or thinness, whichever you want your crust to be. And guys, you don't have to stick to a round pizza. Here I'm using the handle of my brush and denting around the borders to form a crust. Sprinkle a little dash of garlic powder and onion powder. I'm using a fork here to poke holes. This will prevent your crust from bubbling in the center. Into the oven we go, preheated at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And here we go guys, our low carb pizza crust out of the oven. Next we're gonna melt butter in the microwave, less than 30 seconds, to create a butter garlic glaze for our crust. Here we're gonna blend in garlic powder and parsley flakes. Mix that well. Now it's time to garnish the trim of our crust with our butter, as you see me doing here. First layer is the delicious sauce. Spread it across the entire center, topped with mozzarella cheese. And if you like your pizza cheesy, go ahead and pile it up. On goes our toppings. On this pizza, I'm using bacon and that I cooked previously before camera, along with some pepperoni. And this is where you get to personalize your pizza as your very own. Add whichever toppings you like. Whatever your taste buds is in the mood for. You can top it with veggies, colorful bell peppers, onions, slices of tomatoes, or load it up with your favorite meat, shrimp, whatever you like, in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And here you have it. Oh, I can smell the sweet aroma of garlic. Oh, I just love the smell of cooked herbs and spices. This pizza is cheesy, thick crust, just the way I like it. The sauce. Oh, the sauce is what sets your pizza off. The rich Italian flavor is absolutely delicious. Guys, next time you're craving pizza, give this recipe a try. And here's a tip that'll make the recipe go more smoothly. Gather all your ingredients together before you start. Make 2 sections on your counter. Group everything you're going to need for the sauce in one area and everything you're going to need for the crust in another area. Applying these steps, my carbless queens and kings, will make your time spent in the kitchen extremely effective and stress-free. Remember, videos transforming traditional recipes into low-carb and keto-friendly substitutes are uploaded every week. Love you guys so much, and thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, I welcome you with open arms. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you can join our journey as we become better stewards over these earthly temples. Peace and blessings, guys. Bye.